Today I will show you how easy it is to sign a document with Ironclad signature. As an account manager for Sedona Networks tasked with closing a high-profile deal, I've sent an order form over to our customer, 5G Mobile, requiring signatures from both their side and ours. With the order form already approved by legal, the signature packet is automatically sent to the two signatories. The counterparty at 5G Mobile, familiar with the electronic signatures, effortlessly signs the agreement on the move, ensuring 100% compliance. Now it is time for my sales manager to add his signature to the order form. Before signing, he notices one of Ironclad's signature standout features. A screen that shows important details of the contract is surfaced to him as he's signing. With a couple of clicks, he gains valuable insights into the contract's key terms, approvals, and who else has signed, empowering him to sign confidently and efficiently. Austin wants to take a closer look at the order form before signing. He logs into Ironclad, and in the Ironclad dashboard, he can easily locate the agreements requiring his signature thanks to the customizable view he has set up. He quickly reviews the latest version of the order form, ensuring he is fully informed on the complete terms. With Ironclad signature, signing from within the app is quick to execute, so he doesn't have to sift back through all his emails. With Austin's signature, the contract is instantly recorded as a completed record and securely stored within Ironclad's repository. The signed document is promptly distributed to all parties and made available for easy access by our legal team and other parties. Ironclad signature streamlines the signature process for internal signers who gain valuable context and a quick way to execute signature packets, while external signers enjoy a seamless, user-friendly experience.